Hey Comic-Con fans, the holiday edition is this weekend.
And it's free!
We've got some amazing retailers.
Entry is free!
Like Space Wizard, Green Bunny Workshop, Toynik, and Toys on Fire.
And you get in for free!
We also have an amazing Artist Alley.
Free to enter!
With pro comic creators like Jeff Isherwood, Janet Hetherington, and Ron Sutton.
Free!
The author of Effin' Birds, Aaron Reynolds.
Meet him for free!
Tons of other local artists and crafters like Steve Coffin, Dale Roba, and Kieran O'Gorman.
Walk in Artist Alley for free!
Plus a chance to see and wear your favorite cosplay and add a little holiday flair to it.
Free!
Be sure to check it out this weekend, November 9th and 10th at the EY Center. And don't forget, entrance is absolutely
free!
What about parking?
Not free.